Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this Renpho thermal massage gun. It's like a two-in-one. I'll explain that one in just a little bit. This company sent it to me for this video, and I do have to say that it's really compact, as you can see, yet really powerful. It comes with 4 speeds. I have to say that speed number 3 and 4 are something else. They're like really strong. You're gonna see that in just a few seconds, but they're really strong. But then you recharge it with USB-C, and it comes with different heads. For example, this one right here, which is gonna be for more focus points, I wanna say. And this one, which is gonna be, for example, for your legs or your shoulder. This is perfect. And then a high impact one, which is gonna be this one right here, which is gonna be for places that you can't put too much pressure in like one single focal point. Like for example, your neck right here, you have to use something like this. They're all made of silicone. But then this one, it is thermal. That is one that I was saying is a two-in-one because it also comes with heat. So you can apply a heat kind of like therapy and just make it to be even better. But check this out. I'm gonna actually turn it on. You long press and it's on. Check it out. I'm gonna show you something. This right here. And I'm gonna actually do it this way so I can press it. So this is number 1. This is number 3. And this is number 2, and this is number 3 and 4. I don't think that I can withstand 3 and 4. Let's actually go back to number 1. Let's apply some pressure right here. Ooh, I went to the gym yesterday, and this is actually working out really good. I actually did chest yesterday, so ooh, you can hear my voice. This is no pain, no gain, right? Whew, this is good. This is bad and good at the same time. Oh my God, I should have done this yesterday. Let's actually do it over here in my neck. Ooh, oh, this is nice. This is very nice. Let's actually take a closer look to my legs. Oh my goodness, this is very nice. So compact, so easy to maneuver. And this is speed number 1 still, and I think it's enough. I think number 1 it's enough. I can go number 2. Again, I don't think that I can withstand number 3 and 4. Yeah, one more time. If you're looking for something, oh yeah, I should have done this yesterday. I'm gonna do this every day now that I have this this massage gun. Oh my God, so nice. If you're looking for something compact, reliable, easy to operate with 4 super strong speeds, this one may be the one for you. Rechargeable, easy to operate with different heads and even heat. I like it and I do recommend it.